Basically, I am the from West Bengal. I have overall 2 years of experience in IT. I currently work as a GRF at IIT Patna. I joined StarAgile and learned from them, and currently I'm getting placed in Rev Infotech. That's my small introduction. The training was good. Trainer was trained the basic DevOps tools and technologies like Ansible, Docker, AWS, all the DevOps tools they are going through scratch. Before the training, I just heard about the DevOps, but after the training, I am going through knowledge of DevOps tools and technologies. I like the training part more. I got stuck in the DevOps market to search a job because that time that layoff what's happened, there is a much market condition down. So I contacted support team and learned more about that DevOps market. That's the experience from my career.
For training, how much would you rate?
So I can rate 3 out of 5.
For support, how much would you rate?
4 out of 5.
For a career services team, how much would you rate?
It's also 3 out of 5. From my experience in StarAgile, I have going through that course more than 1 year. From my perspective, it is more better opportunity than now when I started. Thank you.